Welcome back students of 6th class. This is mathematics lecture friends. Chapter 10 Ratio, Proportion and Unitary Method. This is the last session of this chapter. That means here we will discuss the questions test paper 10. So this is the last of chapter 10. So let's get started friends. Here the question number 1 says find the ratio. So we have taken as any one of these sub questions friend, suppose C, and the given is here that 115 ml to 2 ml, and we have to find 2 liters of friends, 2 ml, and here is the 150 ml, and here is the 2 liter. Now we have to find the ratio friends. Now the ratio, first write friends this 150, this is ml divided by this is 2 liter. So you know friends 150 ml as it is, so 1 liter is equal to friends 1000 ml. If you multiply this becomes, this is ml, so this ml will get cancelled friend, this 10 will get cancelled, 5 3 is friends, and 5 20 times will get cancelled, so 3 is up friends, and 20 to the this is 40 is downward. Now the ratio friends, ratio this is 3 is to 40, so this is answer. Now we can solve the other 3 sub questions friends, and now question number 2 is as it is friends. Now see friends question number 3rd. So third says friends, question third says that they divide 14,000 among A, B, C and D. Now friends total amount, the amount is given friends, this is money is given, what, this is 1400. So 1400 is in rupees is given, and we have to divide in the group A, B and C, and the ratio of A, B and C is respectively as friends, this is 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, now we have to find this friends. We have to divide this 1400 among A, B and C, and the ratio of 2, 3 and 5 friends. Now here there are 2 ways to find out friends. First total ratio friends, total ratios, sum of total ratios, total ratio this is 2 plus 3 plus 5, and this becomes friends this is 10. Okay, now friends for A share friends, A share friends, this is very simple friends, this is 14, this is 100 1400 as it is, multiply this is A friends 2, and divided by total sum of total ratios is 20. So this 0 will get cancelled, so this is friends 28 220 rupees. This is the first answer. Similarly friends B share, so B share friend very simple, this is 1400, this is B 3 by, and the total this is 10. So this 0 will get cancelled friends, this is 420. Now the last friends C share friends, this is 100,400 multiplier, this is 5 by 10, 10 cancel friends, this is 17,700. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope you will understand. Now friends question number 8 says show that 48, 60, 75 are continued proportion, Okay, now see friends, now for continued proportion let us check, this is 48 divided by 60 friends, find out, and now this continued 60 divided by 75. Now if the value of this two ratio becomes equal, then we can say the 48, 60 and 75 are continued proportion. Now find out friends, this is 12 5 friends and 12 4, so this is 4 by 5. Now next this is friends, this is 15 5 and 15 4. This is 4 by 5. So we can say friends this is 48 divided by 60 is equal to, and we can say friends this is 45 is equal to 45, and now the value of this 45 is 48 divided by 60 is equal to friends this 60 divided by 75. Now see friends, have a look, 48 divided by 60, once again the repetition here is the 60 and divided by 75, so we can say this is, yes, this is the continued, these are the continued proportion and proof friends. I hope you will be grasped. Now see the next one is, now friends see question number 10 says that a car travels 288 km in 4 hours. Okay, the first situation is here friends, the first situation, the first condition. Now the distance is given, D for distance friends, distance is given 288 km, and now time T is given here the 4 hours. First read friends, a car travels 288 km in 4 hours and a train travels 540 km in 6 hours. The ratio of their speeds is what friends? Okay, now see first, this is the first situation. Now the second condition friends, second condition is given. This is friends, this is for car and this is for train in the second conditions. Now the distance D, suppose this is here the distance it is given, this is 5 and 40 km friends, and this is time is given as time 6 hours. Okay, now first we have to find here we have to find the ratio of their speeds friends. First find the speed. Now the speed is friends, speed here the speed is friends, we can write the speed is friends distance by time. So distance is given friends to 8 and the time is given 4 hours. This is kilometer per hour. This could be, this is 4 1 ja 4 7 ja 4 1 4 2 ja friend, this is 72 kilometer per hour. Now friends, here the speed of the train, so this speed is equal to friends distance by time. So here the distance friends 540 and the time is 6 1 ja friends 6 9 ja 50. This is now the speed, we can say the speed is equal to here 90 km kilometer per hour. Now the required ratio friends, required ratios of speeds friends, this is the first estimate I done, this is the up and downwards is 90. So now see, this is 9, this is friends 3 3 ja 9, this is 1 3 2 ja 6 and 3 4 ja. Once again this is 6 5 ja friends, 6 5 ja and 6 4 ja, so this 4 by 5, so this becomes, this is 4:5, this is answer. Question number 16 is a unitary method and this says friends 10 boy can dig a pitch in 12 hours. How long will 8 boys take to do it? कह रहा है कि 10 लड़के एक पिच डिग करने में कितना समय लेते हैं? 12 आवर्स. तो कह रहा है कि 8 बॉयज उस काम को करने में कितना समय लगेगा? फाइंड आउट फ्रेंड्स, वेरी सिंपल. First we have to find friends here in for 2 boys. Now 10 boys. Here the right, since 10 boys can dig a pitch for the time friends in 12 hours. Okay, 12 hours. Okay, so find out friends, इसलिए 1 boy can dig a pitch is equal to 12 multiplied by friends, this is 10 hours. Why friends? Because here friends hours, because when there are 10 boys, then the work is very easy friends, and it will take the minimum time. When 1 boy will do the same work, then it will take a lots of time, means a lots of time is much more time. More times means we have to multiply. Now इसलिए therefore friends 8 boys, this is boy friends, 8 boy can dig a pitch is equal to 12 multiplied by 10. This is less time means divide friends, this is hours. Okay, now here friends 12 4 ja 12 3 ja, so this is 2 5 ja, we can write this is 3 15 3 5 ja friends 15 hours. This is answer. Now see friends, your homework is to complete the test paper, to complete the test paper. And test paper means friends, this is your test of memory, and you have already aware all types of sums problems related to ratio and proportion and unitary method. So you can solve all the sums. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, contact me.